Now let's talk about some basic technique of Chinese painting. First of all, let's talk about holding the brush. Many artists like to hold the brush in this different way, okay? But the formal way of holding a paintbrush, okay, Chinese paintbrush is this way. So we use our thumb, our pointer, and our middle finger to hold the shaft. And then we use the four fingers as a support. So there usually a big gap between the fingers and the palm. So you may feel awkward at the beginning, but practice makes perfect. Now let's take a look at the position of the brush. This is the upright position. Do you see? So the brush is held upright, kind of like 90-degree angle. So with our wrist, lean on the table. So in that case, we can make straight lines easily without any wiggling. So like this. So it's a straight line. Okay, and when we move, we always move our forearms. So not just the fingers, okay? So especially when we want to make long straight lines like drawing a bamboo, okay, we have to use our forearms, okay, leaning on the table. And this one, okay, our elbow kind of serve as the center, and then we do it this way. We move our forearms. Like that. So in that case, you will be able to make stricter lines, okay, instead of wiggling. Once you feel comfortable with holding your brush, okay, and the movement, okay, you don't have to really put your wrist on the table. You can lift it up, you can do it this way, that way. And there is another way called inclined position. So in that case, the brush is held at an angle, and the angles depends on how you want to put your stroke on the paper. So you can do it this way, this way, this way, that way. Especially when you try to get ink, we always doing this way by slanting the brush, okay, and then rub the brush at the edge of the holder so that the extra ink will be removed. So we're doing this way. Now let's take a look at the strokes. Now by pressing down the brush, it will form a thick line. Okay, now I'm going to make a dot by pressing down. See? Okay, but usually we don't want a thick line, okay, or even line, okay, so we want to have some parts that's thicker and some parts that's thinner. So that's why, okay, we need to control the brush by pressing it down or lifting it up. See, if you want to draw thin lines, okay, you have to lift it up. And if you want to draw thick lines, you press it down. Okay, but you don't want a line that's so even. So usually our strokes will be like that. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Let's press it down. Okay, lift it up a little bit and then press it down again. So we can make a stroke like this. Now let's try it, okay, to do it, okay, downward. So press it down, okay, and move, and then press it down again. And then let's try to do it upward. So press down, up, press down, up, and press down, and up, like that. See? How about, okay, make a stroke, okay, that is pointy. Okay, so we press down, okay, and lift it up. See? We have a pointy stroke, like that. Okay. How about let's make a bamboo leaf. Okay. So it's a backward stroke. Now press it down and then lift it up. Let's make another one on the other way. Press down, and lift up. How about this one? So the more the practice, the easier it will be.